You doing some fun colour things?
No, I'm filming.
Yeah, it's like a
Look where the chairlift starts.
Oh yeah.
Come from over there.
Where?
Over
Oh.
See them over there? You can see it just back in. Watch through those trees. You'll see in a second the chairlift coming through. They come through pretty rapid. There, see it? See it?
No.
Good.
Oh yeah, up there. Oh, I can see them
Can you see
now.
them now?
Yeah, I can see they're coming through up the top there. That's there.
There's two of them there now. It's nice, huh? Oh look, there's people there. How the fuck did they get there?
Where? Oh my god.
That's crazy.
How did they get there?
I don't know, it's not very smart though.
No, they might be on a tour or something, babe.
Yeah, but it's not like there's stairs or anything. They're climbing the rock.
Where are they?
How the fuck did they get there?
I don't know.
You see them come from the bottom, mate. Came probably down those rocks there.
Yeah, there are people up the top there as well, staring down.
Where?
There's right at the first rock there.
Yeah. So they must have come down through there. Oh, I see. Yeah, from the way they're climbing, they'll go just to the right there. So you wouldn't want to put it to you.
Yeah, they probably have a tour guide going down there. I wonder where the water goes to.
Yeah, see how they're climbing?
Yeah, it says here. It was built during the Depression. This power station supplied power to Cairns and surround for almost 3 decades.